How to cancel order in Foodpanda app. So if you want to cancel the order in Foodpanda app, then first you need to open up your Foodpanda application. Once you're here, you need to simply go for the cart, which is here on the upper right. And once you're here on the cart, you just need to go for review payment and address, and you may have ordered that, right? You may have tapped on place order, which will be on the bottom of your screen. So if you tap on the place order and if your order has been placed, then to cancel the order you just need to go for help, which will be on the top right of your screen, and then you can simply tap on the help center and tap on order detail, and then you will have some options. Simply tap on can I cancel my order, then choose the reason that you would like to cancel the order. So for example, you can choose the second, which is I accidentally placed a pre-order, and tap on confirm, which is tap on yes, and that's it. You have successfully canceled your order. So that's how you can cancel order in Foodpanda application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.